Cool. Okay, so this is the Astrolux WL01 work light. It's got two buttons, so hold for on, and click to go from cool white, neutral white, warm white, and you can press this other button to change the brightness. So it goes down. Cool. So today I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. It says it has a 9,000 milliamp hour capacity. So let's check it out and verify that claim. Just using a Weha. It's a Philips 1. So yeah, you want the right size, otherwise you'll end up stripping the screws, which makes it a bit difficult. So the screws need to be a Philips 1 screwdriver, or you'll end up stripping that quite easily. Ooh, that's interesting. So I've noticed there's a couple of spare insulation pads there. Maybe that's deliberate to avoid shorting on stuff. So don't try this at home, it could be dangerous. Yeah, they've got these little... it's a sticker. Okay. So they've got little insulation stickers on each side. That's the weirdest name I've seen for a brand, Canfa. So these are 21700 cells. 4,500 milliamp hour capacity. Okay, so that's where they're getting the 9,000 from. There's two of these in parallel. Those spot welds look okay. Let's check out the other side. Yeah, looks... Oh, the solder job, I mean, it's okay. They look like they're okay, spot welds. Yeah, someone had one where there was completely missed. I think they just missed the spot weld, so it wasn't connected. These ones look connected. That's the driver. Oh, they've actually got connectors. Okay, there's one. Here are some forceps. Okay, there we go. So one set of wires is for the LED, and then the other set is just for the power. I'll go ahead and check out the buttons. So these buttons seem a little bit dodgy. I've had these on timers before, like Rubik's Cube speed solving timers, and eventually they break from all the use. Like they just crack and then you have the button coming through. So it'd be interesting to see how this would hold up over time for like several years of use. Cool. That's the driver. Cool. Big inductor. Okay, the buttons are okay. And what have we got here? Chipsy RP3215S. Okay. There we go. Battery pack. There's a plastic lens here. Okay, that's the lens. See if this pops out. Okay. So that's a rubber or a silicon? Some kind of rubber or silicon. Oh, it's got a PCB. It was metal core PCB. Actually, nice. Okay. LFO. Okay, that's the COB emitter. There's absolutely no thermal paste. It's just these two bits put together. There are little notches there to try and hold the boards together. You're not going to get a lot of heat dissipation from this. It's not like, this is plastic. So yeah, the quality is not super great. So it might not perform well with the heat. Cool, so that's a teardown. Got this nice rubber cover, might help with the water ingress. Yeah, it's a pretty cheap work light. So yeah, is what it is. Cool. That's the teardown of the Astrolux WL01 work light. I'll post my review on timmcmahon.com.au and budgetlightforum.com soon of this work light. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, happy to